Relpol SA is a renowned European manufacturer of relays, which has been providing products of the highest quality for nearly 60 years. Sub-miniature and miniature relays are used in the electrical systems of the following appliances: medical apparatus, household equipment, emergency lighting, monitoring, PLC controllers. The relays are also used in industrial and power automatic systems, as well as in alarm, heating, air conditioning, and refrigerating equipment. Industrial and interface relays find their applications in the following equipment: BMS automatics, household equipment, air conditioning, refrigeration, ventilation. They are also used in industrial control systems, industrial and power automatic systems, and in heating equipment. Relays for photovoltaic systems are used for switching on and off of DC voltage generated by photovoltaic cells, connecting of a photovoltaic system to power network. Relpol SA also offers solutions for railroads, as the company manufactures relays used in electrical control systems, signaling systems, lighting systems, air conditioning systems. Need programmable relays were designed as the basis of Polish technological ideas, and they are applied in such areas as industrial automatics, ARS automatics, BMS automatics, traffic management systems, water systems, systems of air conditioning, ventilation and heating, lighting systems. Time relays are applied in low voltage installations. Example: industrial automatics, in BMS automatics, in systems of air conditioning, ventilation and heating, in systems of security, signaling, and alarms, in lighting systems. Monitoring relays are also used in low voltage installations. For example, for the following: DC and AC voltage monitoring in 1 and 3 phase networks, DC and AC current monitoring in 1 and 3 phase networks, motor temperature monitoring, liquid level monitoring in containers. Relpol is a leading manufacturer of equipment for detection of radioactive materials. Such equipment is installed at checkpoints of special purposes. Example: border checkpoints, road, railroad, seaport, airport ones, nuclear power plants, municipal waste landfills, radioactive waste landfill sites, metal scrap processing plants, places of potential risk of terrorist attack. ChipPro is a system for operation of fields of switching stations of medium voltage within the scope of security, station automatics, control functions, measurements, communication, and recording. They have found their applications in professional power engineering, wind and hydroelectric power plants, industry, heat and power stations,